You're welcome to today's trading session. Penny to fortune trading session is another episode. In this episode, I will be showing you how to raise an account from as low as $1.67 to something very remarkable. This video comes as an answer to someone's question that was asking me that he heard me mentioning that I've raised an account from 50 cents, I've raised an account from $2. Is it that possible? So I told the person I will answer the person by practical trading session. So you can see I wanted to start from $1, but I didn't observe that the video is not covered. So now it's at $1.67. So I'll be continuing from here. I have another video I raised from $1.53 to $5, of which I will be also be posting very soon. So you can see it's not about how much is in your portfolio when it comes to binary option trading. It's all about a good strategy in place, a good self-discipline, and then all that factors being in place, your ability to spot a favorable market trend, because that's one of the key factors. So join me as we join into today's trading. You are going to see the magic of raising a penny account to a fortune. You can see that's a live account, $1.67 account, 1.67 USD account. So we start, though it will need patience, a high level of patience, and the ability to spot good market to raise this an account. But it's nothing to worry about. All right, now let's start going. I will check my settings if they're in place. We are still, trade type is rise and fall, start time is now, and duration 1 minute. So I changed the ticks to 1 minute. Okay, and we'll be starting from the least amount that can be traded on this platform, which is 35 cents. It's a very flexible trading platform. If you want to join us, you check the comment section. You see a link I put to follow to the official site to sign up an account with them. And next is to click the chart so that I can see the naked chart. I also have a setup that I've saved the setting on this platform. The setup comprises of candlestick, 1 minute candlestick, and Bollinger Band to a certain settings. When I'll be going live to train to expose the strategy I'm using to make all this trading, I'll also show you how to set up your Bollinger Band to match the strategy. All right, but today we are trading and we need a little amount of focus and concentration. So I'm checking, I've seen a retracement here. Let me check on the candlestick and Bollinger Band how it's going. Is that it has gone a bit far, but let's see if it will still continue in that direction. Then we will follow. You purchase. When you predict that the market will still continue upward, you click on the up button, which is green. But when you predict it will be going down, you click on the down button. I'm checking. I have a stop loss for each trading lot. On this 35 cents, stop loss is 15 cents, and our take profit is 25 cents. So that's what I'm watching out. We reach a stop loss. I saw 17 cents. That's why I sell at market, and it landed us at 13. The next trading lot is 70 cents. 70 cents. Okay. That market is still continuing in that direction. I see place again. At this 70 cents, our take profit is 50 cents, while our loss is 30 cents, stop loss. So it's going in a direction. It has reached a take profit of which I have sold it, and it landed us at 57 cent profit. You see, Our profit now jumps. Our count is now $2.11 from $1.67 that we had. So you see the wonders. The count is going. I check another market. Oh, you see in a short while that the $1.67 will reach $5, and $5 is very easy to raise. Of course, I have other videos that shows you how to raise from $5. So when you build this account to $5, that means you are good to go. The raise is very easy. So I think the target for this trading will be to show you how to raise this account from that $1.67 to $5 level, because from $5 is very easy for you to pick up from there. I have other videos on this platform, on this channel, that will raise from $7 to remarkable account. You can check out those videos. So let's journey together. We are only attending to markets, 7 markets out of these numerous markets, daily reset indices, which are bull market index and bear market index. Then under this continuous indices, this is continuous indices, we trade volatility 10 index, the one without one S. We trade 25, we trade 50, we trade 75, we trade 100. All right. That's what we are looking for in this market trend before we can embark on our trade. That's to put us on a high probability of success. Yes, is to put us on a high probability of success. This market is trying to retrace. Let me see if the confirmation candle. Oh, it has formed earlier on. I wish we still catch up with it. They seem it has gone far already. So let's see if we can still make it. At this stage, 70 cents. At take profit is 50 cents. While we've reached it already, so I placed the market refused to allow me to sell. You see, network is disrupting our sell at market. I have to be patient again. I see 50 cents again. I tried to, yeah, we succeeded in selling at 56 cents. Oh, our account is now $2.50. We are still growing. Um, that's good. That's good. Let's see. We are returning to 0.3535. That's 35 cents. Okay. We check. It seems to be selling. Let's see the formation if we can still continue. I also check the mini chart here. I combine both the mini chart and the chart down there. I check another market. Oh, it seems to be selling too. Let's see if it will give us a good. Oh, had it been we're here on time, we would have completed our trade by now. But let's see if we can see catch up something there. Let's see. We come to sell at market at 35 cents. Our sell at market is 25 cents. It's 25 cents. We watch the trade progress. Our stop loss is 15 cents. We are watching. The market is really oscillating. But let's see how it goes. Our timeline, I come down. Oh, I tried to sell it, but it's no more offering because it's beyond 14 seconds now. So I have to wait till finishing. If it ends against us, we move to the next trading stage. Okay, that ends against us. We move to 70 cents. At 70 cents, our take profit is 50 cents, while our stop loss is a 30 cents. We are looking at the chart, the progress of it. I try to close it because I've seen something, the loss is more than 30 cents. Okay. Let's see, we don't have enough funds, so we are trying to manage it. I'm supposed to go to $1.40, but I stand as I'm managing the portfolio to match the situation of the account. I go for $1.20. Okay. At $1.20, if I see even 90 cents, I'll pick. I think the stop loss, I take it at 40 cents. I stand again $1.28, taking it as a recovery stage. I think we check another market. We check another market. It's a short time interval trading, so the market should be something that's a bit well trending and not too spiky, so that it gives us a good probability of success. If we recover this fourth stage, we also stand at third stage to recover further, so that will recover funds fully. Okay, I see a signal here and I place it. Let's see. If I see 90 cents, I will close this trade. I've seen 80, I've seen 90, and I'm able to close it at $1.02. I still stand at that place so as to recover at third stage. Want to recover at third stage, we've recovered at fourth stage, but it has not recovered our fund completely. So we still stand at third stage to recover fully. Is a continuation from a break. The trend was coming down and then later consolidated. It's about continuing, but we need a confirmation candle before we can follow. We need a confirmation candle. I also see this chart here up here. Okay, and now follow. If I see stop loss 50 cents, I will close. If I see profit 90 cents, I will take. Oh, it's going to a favor now. I see 90 cents. Oh, it's beyond our control. We have to wait for it to finish. It ends to our favor. That means we have recovered fully. So return to the start, which is 35 cents. You see, trading needs self-control, and you have to follow strictly. You have to adhere strictly to your pre-trading plan and your strategy guideline. You don't have to trade emotionally, especially when the market is fluctuating and kind of oscillating up and down. Stick to your plan, outlining your strategy if you want to make it. But if you give in to emotion, you always truncate your trade, which would have ended in your favor. So that's where you need self-control. Adhere strictly to your pre-trading plan, to your strategy guideline if you must succeed in trading. And that's what we've been practicing. Of course, you can see the account is growing from $1.67. We now have $3.52. The target of this trading session is to raise that account to $5. We know from $5 it's very easy to raise from there. Of course, I've showed you in other videos I will raise from $5 to something, and that account is still growing. Very soon I'm coming up with a video to show you the current level of that account. This one is just to answer some questions that some people mailed me, that if it's possible to raise an account from less than 5 USD. One even said if it's possible to raise from $1. I said, why not? I've raised an account from 50 cents. I've raised an account from 50 cents to 100 plus. I've raised an account from $2 to 200 and something dollars, from $3.45 to 500 and something dollars. Even $9.27 I've raised that account to 1,900 and I think. All right, this market is consolidating here. We are trying to see if it will continue selling so that we can follow. I need a further confirmation. Okay, I choose to follow the market there. So I click view to view the progress of my trading. At 35 cents, our take profit is 25 cents. Our stop loss is our temporary stop loss is 15 cents. So I'm watching the market moving. It seems to be moving in my favor. I also check the chart to monitor the trend. It's moving well. I check here. I've seen 23 cents. I've seen 27. I now sell at market and it landed at 29 cents. Okay. You see our account is moving. Okay. Our account is moving. We want to see if the trend will still continue so that we can take advantage of it. It's still consolidating there, kind of showing indecision whether to go up or come down. All right, we still follow it by purchasing down, and then we come here to monitor the progress of the trade. When it's red, that means it's going against us. When it's green, that means it's entering in our favor. You see the entry spot is being outlined by this barrier line. Oh, I sell at market because I just saw 20 cents, which is above the 15 cents, which is a stop loss. I move to the next stage, which is 70 cents. 70 cents trading stage. Let me check another market. We keep selecting between markets. We are looking for a smooth market to place our trade. It's a short time interval trading, so you need a market that is a bit smooth and well trending. I happen to see a retracement here and I've seen a confirmation candle, so I waste no time. I just place the trade immediately. Then I come up here to check the progress of the trade. At 30 cents stop loss we close. At 50 cents profit we sell at the market. So that's what I'm monitoring here. You exercise patience, don't be emotional, stick to the plan. That's how we play. I'm seeing 48 cents. I've seen 54 now sell at market. Network refuses me. I try to sell again and it landed at 60 cents. That's a good one. Okay. And now go down to 35 cents. We are progressing. We are progressing. We are progressing. We are progressing. All right. Let's check another market. We are on daily reset indices. We just finished trading bear market and now we are checking bull market. It seems not to be favorable. We go down to continuous indices. We check volatility 100 index. It's trending down, but it's a bit spiky. I need a strong move in order to place that trade. I check 75 index. Okay, it seems to be retracing and the retracing seems to be strong. Let's see the formation. Oh, we had a confirmation candle, so we follow immediately. Oh, network is not allowing me to see my purchase button. I'm so sad about this. We would have gotten a trade here. When it happened like that, I refresh. You have to refresh your trading platform so that all the features will come out. Okay. Now I want to see if the trend is still. Let's see if the trend is still holding. Okay. We look at the next candle. All right, we can follow now. Can follow. This is 70 cents. Okay, 35 cents. Oh, we were supposed to trade 70 cents. Is it 70 cents we're supposed to trade? Yes. We are watching. We are looking at the trading progress. Look at the chart. It seems to be moving in our favor. That's why you are seeing green showed in the potential profit and loss. And now fluctuating against us. Oh, at this point we can't do anything again. You have to watch it move to finishing. It seems to be ending against us, so we move. Thank God for martingale steps. We now move to our next trading stage, which is 70 cents. Okay, we check out for the markets. We choose another market. Let's check another market. 25 index is trending up. Let's see from the candlestick pattern how it's going. All right, I'm checking the way it's going. I also check the mini chart up here how it's behaving. All right, I follow up. I follow a buy signal. And at this 70 cents, our stop loss is 30 cents, while our take profit is 50 cents. We are monitoring the market. We are monitoring the trade. I've seen 30 cents and now sell it at market and it lands at 26 cents. The next stage is $1.40. $1.40. So we have $1.40 trading stage. So let's see. We are at $1.40. Let's see what's happening here. What's happening here? Now let's see. It seems to be retracing. We place the trade and we go down to monitor the trade. At $1.40, our take profit is between $1.10 and $1.20, and we are looking out for that. It's still moving in a direction. It seems to be fluctuating a bit against us. Let's see. We observe a countdown. We have 20 seconds going down. Or we to soon enter where we can't control again. You can't sell on the market again. We have to wait till finishing. It seems to be going in our favor, and that's the end of it. It ends to our favor, and we have $1.33. You can see we now have $4.93 from $1.67. Our account is now $4.93. We are still progressing. We soon meet our target. Our target was to raise the $1.67 to $5, because from $5 it's very easy to raise this account further. And we are almost completing our target. From $1.67, here we are $4.93. It may not be that easy, but with a good self-control, a good strategy in place, and a good internet connection, and your ability to spot out favorable market trends, it will be easy for you. It will be a possible task. Okay. It's a very conservative. We are being conservative in our trading approach. We don't want to be aggressive in any way, because the best way of trading is to trade consecutively if you want to sustain your profit and your capital. You have to learn to trade conservatively. Don't want to be aggressive. The same way you build an account, you can crash it by the twinkle of an eye. We had a stop loss. I'm trying to close it, but network is hindering. We succeeded in closing at 23 cents. So we move to the next, which is 70 cents. It seems to be retracing, but I need a confirmation candle to form before I follow this trend. That's a good signal there, but I need to confirm it with another candle. I'm waiting patiently as I observe the market. Here comes another candle What signal is it giving us? I check at the tick up here, the mini chart up here. I check back here. Okay, I choose to follow now. It seems to be giving us a headway. And now view on the market. Our take profit is 50 cents. I've seen 36 cents. I've seen 42 cents. I've seen 33 cents. Going down to 26. Going down to 6. Increases to 15 cents. 24 cents. Going down to 11. 15 cents. I check our countdown. 16 cents. Oh, at this point we can't sell on the market again. We have to wait till it finishes. We just want to hope it ends in our favor. Oh, good. It ends in our favor. The trade just ended now. And what we have here, can you see? 64 cent profit. And our account balance is now $5.34 from $1.67. This is a live trading session. A live trading session. I only aim to show you that it's possible to raise an account from a penny to a fortune. This is $1.67 to $5.34, and from the $5 you can raise it comfortably with a good strategy in place. We have that in another video that we raised from $5 and the account is still growing. It's still growing. So you see, this has been made. This has been made. There's another account from $1.53. We build it also. This is a clear indication that you don't need big portfolio to make it in binary option trading. You simply need a good strategy in place. You need a good self-discipline. You need a good internet connection. All right. And just a penny in your account, then you are good to go. This is a live trading session. You have witnessed it, and you can also do it. Just keep watching this channel. Subscribe to follow us. If you want to join us in trading on this platform, the broker we are using is Derrick Brokers. You can see the link on the comment section where you can follow to their official site and sign up an account with them. They have a very flexible platform. We are coming up with a video that will be training you, will be showing you the strategy that we use in trading and how you can learn and also impact on your trading using those strategies. So keep watching this channel, subscribe to this channel. Very soon the video will come your way. Okay, we want to stop here for today because we have reached our target. It was from the beginning I told you we want to raise the $1.67 to $5, and here we are $5.34. So see you in our next video as we come your way again. Goodbye for now.